Welcome to my course on installing, configuring, and administering System Center Configuration Manager 2016, or shortly SCCM 2016. System Center Configuration Manager is the industry platform for deploying and managing Windows operating systems, in our case Windows 10. This course should give you a solid foundation in installing SCCM from scratch, configuring, performing the initial configuration, and then administering SCCM 2016 like an IT pro. We will be discussing through Configuration Manager site roles, deploying Windows 10 operating system, role-based access control, Windows updates, amongst other components of SCCM. You should have as prerequisites some knowledge in regards to Windows Server 2016 or Windows Server 2012 R2, some good knowledge in regards to Windows 10 operating system, and some PowerShell knowledge. We will be touching as well, administering SCCM through PowerShell. Thank you, and I hope you will enjoy this course.